The magic of smiles. Creating positive impressions with facial expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest episode on enhancing your English communication skills. Today, we're exploring an incredibly essential but often overlooked aspect of communication: the power of smiling and positive facial expressions. These non-verbal cues can leave a lasting impression and significantly influence your interactions. So, let's dive in and discover how we can use these tools effectively. In any language, a smile is a universal sign of friendliness and positivity. When you meet someone and say goodbye, your smile becomes a visual punctuation of your feelings. It's a way of saying, "I'm glad we met, and I'm happy to see you." In English-speaking cultures, a warm, genuine smile can make your farewell more memorable and positive. Remember, it's not just about saying the words, "goodbye," or "see you later," but also about the sentiment you're expressing through your facial expressions. Besides smiling, other facial expressions can also contribute to a positive impression. Maintaining eye contact shows you are interested and engaged, while raising your eyebrows can display surprise or enthusiasm. Nodding occasionally indicates you are listening and understanding the other person. Practice combining these expressions with your verbal goodbyes, like, "It was nice to meet you," or "I'm looking forward to our next meeting." This combination of verbal and non-verbal communication is potent in creating a lasting, positive impression. While smiling and positive facial expressions are beneficial, they must be used appropriately and naturally. Overdoing these expressions might come off as insincere or artificial. It's essential to ensure your smile and other facial expressions match the situation and your words. If you're saying a casual goodbye to a new acquaintance, a simple, friendly smile would suffice. If you're bidding farewell to a close friend, a broader, warmer smile would be more fitting. It's all about finding the right balance and staying genuine. That's it for today's lesson, folks. Remember, the secret to leaving a positive impression lies in the harmony of your words, your smile, and your facial expressions. Practice using these non-verbal cues naturally and watch your communication skills soar. I hope this episode helps you enhance your English communication skills. Until next time, keep practicing, stay positive, and don't forget to smile.